The moment astronauts leave Earth, communication cuts, cameras fail, and strange things start happening that most people never hear about. Some astronauts have reported seeing unexplained lights outside their spacecraft. Others came back talking about moments NASA barely mentioned to the public. And then there are the missions that suddenly lost data for reasons that still don't fully make sense. So here's the question that keeps conspiracy hunters awake at night. What is NASA not telling us about space missions? For decades, NASA has been one of the most respected organizations in the world. They've landed humans on the moon, explored Mars, and sent spacecraft farther into space than anyone thought possible. But hidden behind the headlines are stories that sound more like science fiction than reality. Take the Apollo 11 moon landing mission. Most people know it as the first successful moon landing. But years later, rumors exploded online claiming astronauts heard strange sounds while orbiting the moon. According to some reports, there were moments of silence between mission control and the astronauts that were never fully explained. NASA denied any alien involvement, but the mystery only fueled more theories. Then there's the case of the missing tapes. The original high-quality recordings of the moon landing were reportedly erased or lost. Imagine that for a second. One of the greatest moments in human history, and the original footage disappears. NASA later explained that old tapes were reused during a time when storage was limited. But for conspiracy theorists in both the USA and the UK, that explanation only raised more questions. And it doesn't stop there. During several space missions, astronauts reported seeing objects moving in ways that didn't match known satellites or debris. In 1965, astronaut James McDivitt claimed he saw a strange metallic object floating near his spacecraft. Decades later, people are still debating what he actually witnessed. Even more chilling are the psychological effects of space travel. Astronauts have spoken about the overwhelming fear of staring into deep space for too long. Imagine floating millions of miles away from Earth, surrounded by complete silence. No sound, no air, just darkness stretching forever. Some astronauts admitted that space changed them mentally forever after returning home. NASA has also faced criticism for keeping certain mission details classified for years. Some documents related to Cold War-era space programs remained hidden from the public for decades. During the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union, secrecy was everything. Governments didn't just want to win the race to space, they wanted military dominance too. And then there's Mars. NASA's Mars rovers have captured images that sparked massive online debates. Strange shadows, unusual rock formations, and shapes that some people claim resemble faces or structures. Scientists say these are natural formations caused by light and perspective. But internet communities continue searching every new image for proof that something else might be out there. Of course, not every mystery means there's a conspiracy. Space itself is unpredictable, dangerous, and full of things humanity still doesn't understand. Sometimes missing data is just missing data. Sometimes strange lights are equipment reflections. But the unknown has always fascinated people, and maybe that's exactly why these stories never die. Because deep down, everyone wonders the same thing. If NASA discovered something truly shocking in space, would they tell the public immediately? And maybe an even scarier question is this: what if astronauts have already seen something they can't explain? Space remains one of humanity's greatest mysteries. Every mission uncovers new questions, and every answer seems to reveal an even bigger secret hiding in the darkness beyond Earth. So now I want to hear from you. Do you think NASA hides certain truths about space missions from the public? Or are these mysteries just internet conspiracy theories gone too far? Drop your thoughts in the comments below because I'll be reading the craziest theories. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next mystery.